Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Guys, in today's video we are gonna share with you original Chinese vegetable gravy recipe. Guys, this recipe is for those of you who want to try the original taste of Chinese cuisine, guys. If you like our videos, guys, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. Guys, for this beautiful recipe, we are gonna need all these ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and start with vegetable oil. In total, we are gonna use 2 tablespoons, soya sauce, 2 tablespoons, ketchup or normal, the one that you use usually. It is 2 tablespoons in total. Then we are gonna use apple vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Then I have got here honey. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon. For those of you who have allergy for the honey, one of our subscribers have written that. So if you have allergy for honey, you can replace it with brown sugar. If you are using brown sugar, 1 teaspoon, guys. Then, guys, we are gonna need 200 grams of mushrooms, 1 pepper, red pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 small onion, 4 pieces of carrots, then 200 grams of broccoli, 3 pieces of green onion, in total 9 pieces of garlic, 1 small ginger. It is this much, guys. Basically, if you are looking at my finger, it's half of the finger basically. Then, guys, we are gonna use 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use potato starch, guys. You can replace it. Then we are gonna use still water. It is just to cover the vegetables. Then we are coming to our most beloved spices, guys. So for the spices, we are gonna use salt, red sweet pepper, red hot chili pepper, then black pepper, and 3 pieces of dried red hot chili pepper. It is most spicy one, guys. If you do not like any of the spices, you can replace it with anything that you eat if you love enjoying. So guys, let's start cooking. First of all, we are gonna start with opening the fire on the highest level. Then you need a pan that is as deep as this, or you can use pot if you want. I use pan because I feel much more comfortable when doing Chinese food. So first I'm gonna add vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. And then we are gonna wait until the oil gets hot. First things first, I'm gonna add our diced garlic. In total, I've used 9 garlic. Right after garlic, we are gonna add here our diced ginger. Mix them together. Just after that, we are gonna add our chopped onion, 1 small onion. Mix them together. Guys, when your garlic turns golden, then it's time for the mushrooms. Chopped mushrooms. Right after mushrooms, we are gonna add our broccoli. Time for our chopped carrots, just like matchsticks, and chopped peppers, green pepper and red sweet pepper. Just add all of them. And then mix them. Guys, saute them for 3 minutes approximately. And then after that, it's time So guys, after sauteing veggies for 3 minutes, it's time for the spices. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break dried pepper into two or three. Then guys, I'm gonna mix all the spices and spread it around. Mix them one time. You're gonna add water guys, still water. So you have to cover your veggies with water. This much is enough. Then I have here 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm gonna add water a little bit and mixing them, we are gonna add it to our veggies. Then guys, do not mix at this stage because we are still gonna add some other things. It's time for the soya sauce. Here I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. 1 and then 2. Then guys, we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 and then 2. Guys, it's time for apple vinegar. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Those of you who have allergy for honey, you can replace with brown sugar, 1 teaspoon. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of honey. Guys, just mix them. Do not close the top of your pan or pot. We are gonna cook it just like this. So guys, our gravy started boiling. From the time of it starting boiling, we are gonna wait and keep mixing because we need the texture. The cornstarch we added, so it will have this thick texture. If you want it to be more thick, you can excess the cornstarch. I use 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can make it 4 or 5 tablespoons. I like this texture, so with this texture I'm gonna cook 5 more minutes while it's boiling, and then I'm gonna add green onion, and then that will be ready. So guys, it has been 5 more minutes from boiling time. It's time to close our gravy. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add freshly chopped green onion. And then I want to mix it well. That's it guys, it's ready to serve. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with noodles, anything that you want. Look at this beauty guys, oh my goodness. It smells so good guys. Voila guys. Bon appetit guys. Thank you for watching our video. Try it out and let us know in the comments what do you think about this particular recipe. Or maybe you have other ideas from Chinese cuisine, so you can tell us. Guys, thank you for watching us again. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. Or if you are a subscriber from our channel, you can give us love from our comments. Thank you. Wishing you all to have a nice and cozy evening, guys. Goodbye.